Bun Ngut ki kontraktor ki Shna Surok Pmgsy kila Shah Buh Dak Ïong ne blacklist namar bakim simla Shna bahan ne Buh Dak Kendon haba Shna Surok Pmgsy. Umentri rang ba kajela ukonat kesang ma habai kren bagi lap thai kubor ulong bakini ki kontraktor ki kentup ki blalap na du usnam arajar hadu menta bak sarkar kala sim da kilat kilinti ban penstom ki katkum ki an.
I have been personally monitoring the Pmgsy work in the last 3 years myself. And the reason why is because when I was Member of Parliament, I have seen all the reports in the Disha meetings on how the implementation has been very bad in the state of Meghalaya. And therefore, keeping that factor in mind, I decided that we will ensure that we when we get a chance to be in the government, that we will monitor this. So I have been monitoring it myself. We have an online monitoring system. And from day one of monitoring these projects, we have seen a large improvement in the overall implementation of the projects. And that is why Government of India has also increased its funding to Meghalaya by a large extent. Now, in the process, there have been many projects, that actually just stood still. Many contractors have abandoned the work. And in a systematic manner, many of them have been blacklisted. And I can assure you that in the future also we will continue to blacklist all people who are abandoning the work and not moving forward. If it has been done in a manner that is not acceptable to the system, then we will take necessary action. So therefore, we are very clear that these kind of projects and people who are abandoning these kind of works and who are not doing good quality work will be blacklisted.